What?
It was a dream! Idea! Daddy!
Yes, Olivia?
I want ice cream!
Ice cream? We don't have any more. I know! Do you like fruits?
Well, yes!
Let's make fruit ice cream.
Yes!
Okay.
Let's do it!
Okay!
Strawberry! And now orange! Kiwi! Peaches!
Hello, is banana? It's ready!
We did it! And now we have to wait.
Oh, so hot! Wow! Ice cream! Kiwi! My favorite! Yummy! Cool! No more kiwi! What to do?
I got an idea!
I know!
Ice cream is ready.
Yippee!
Which one do you want, Olivia?
I want kiwi!
Here you go.
What? Yuck!
What's wrong, Olivia?
This is not kiwi! Try it!
This is not kiwi. This is broccoli.
Daddy, what's going on?
I'm sorry! This is my fault!
Mommy, it was you?
I won't do it again!
Don't worry, Mom.
We have a lot of ice cream. What taste do you want?
I want orange.
I want peach.
And I want strawberry! Yummy!
Hooray! Best ice cream!
Cool!
Oh.